Welcome to Rank My Hub customer portal. In this video we are going to explore the dashboard area and different options that are inside your web hosting dashboard. So this is the home page. It will look similar like to this when you logged into your account. These are the product list, and this is the product ID and package, and it is the due date, the billing cycle, and the status of the package. When you click on this package, you will be able to go to the package page. This is the particular package. So the product is a micro plus. The next billing date, if there is any billing date, it will be shown here, or else it will be shown like this. And the product group, it is web hosting again, so it stands for Web Hosting India, and the server allocated to it is server 31. This is the IP address of your website or control panel, and the username of your control panel is this one, and the password is not shown here. This is due to the security reasons. We don't reveal the password here. However, we will send the password to your email ID during registration or sign up. Right after the sign up, if you wish to change cPanel password for your account, click to change, click this one, and it will show up a pop-up, and you have to enter the password, new password for your cPanel. Please note that the control panel is different from the dashboard. Right now we are in dashboard, and control panel is the main cPanel of your account on server. Let me show you the control panel. This is the control panel, and which you have logged into it. So this is the stock cPanel, which you will find everywhere on in the internet. We do not use any kind of custom modifications or customization of this control panel, so it is provided as it is from the cpanel.net, and it is always up to date. You can check the current control panel version right here, that is 62.0.16. and if you wish to check the documentation, it is right inside the control panel. Click on the documentation, and it will take you to the cPanel user documentation section. So here you can check either the word based documentation, that is the uh, uh, documentation provided on this portal, or if you wish to use the video tutorials of the cPanel, you can click this one. So this is the cPanel TV, that is the control panel software provider. So these cPanel operations are similar for every web hosting that uses cPanel as default control panel for managing the server. So you can go through the cPanel TV videos. So they have provided the videos for almost everything, and they are done very professionally, and you can go through it. In case if you like to use the documentation instead of watching the videos, you can click this first option. So that is, the first option is how to use the login to your server or account. So here they have provided the URLs, so you can use the same. So in this case you are provided with the cPanel, right? So we have provided you cPanel access and not the WHM access. This will be provided in VPS plans and something similar to that. So as you are provided with the shared hostings, you will be able to use the cPanel access. So they have provided the uh, way to access the cPanel, right? So here it is the 192.168.0.1.2083. So when you log into our account, you can see similar URL. This is the similar URL. So in this way you can check other details as well. So how to use the webmail, how to use the server login, and all details are provided here. So in case if you like to know how to navigate and use this cPanel features, click on the navigate the cPanel interface. So it has the documentation, so it will show you how to use the cPanel. So this is all the documentation here. You can also go through the related articles and the other features, and other cPanel feature documentations are provided here. So how to use the file manager, how to use the disk usage, how to create FTP connections, how to use the backup wizard, images, web disk, anonymous FTP accounts, directory privacy. So whatever the features that we have provided here, the relevant documentation is right inside your cPanel. So always click the documentation link here, and you will be able to open the documentation window in a new tab, and you will be able to get through the things. So these are all the details here. So all most of the options are available in your account, so you'll be able to use this documentation for the same. So cPanel is the most easiest and the most used control panel management system for server or web servers, in particularly web servers and Linux web servers. So this is the easiest one. I hope you will be able to use this effectively. So we are discussing about the password change of the control panel, right? So when you use the click to change password, it will change the password of this particular control panel, that is the control panel on the server. It will not change the password of this dashboard area. So dashboard area is used for billing purpose, creating the support tickets and managing your products and services with us. So it is not related to the server, and you can access the server directly from the dedicated URL like this. So in case of this account, this is the server dedicated URL. Similarly, we have already sent the dedicated URL to your email ID during sign up. So you have to use the dedicated URL always, and access the control panel. The account area is used only for in case if you need to file a support ticket, or if you need to change the billing details, or if you want to take any actions on the product, or do something related to your account. So this is how you need to do. And yeah, we are discussing about changing the password on the cPanel, right? So when we click this one, let us enter a password, something like. So we have updated the password of cPanel, that is this particular control panel password, right? So let me show you for verification. So I am pasting the password we have updated here, and let us use the username for this account. So now you can find that the password is not valid for the entered email ID. This is because we changed the password for control panel, that is the main cPanel, and the dashboard is different from the cPanel as we discussed earlier. Dashboard is used for managing your accounts with us, and it is a customer care portal and service portal. So we have clearly mentioned it here on the page: manage your products, services and support tickets. So the dashboard is meant for managing your products, services and support tickets, and it has nothing to do with cPanel. cPanel will be on the server, and you will have direct access to the cPanel. Even if our main site login is failing or something like that, you can always access the control panel right from the dedicated login. Let me log in and continue the rest of the details. So in case if you wish to change the password for this area, that is the dashboard, so this is the dashboard. In case if you wish to change the password for this account, go to this edit profile. So here you can see the profile page. So as this is a demo account, we have not entered the details, but you can change the password for the dashboard here. So you can whenever we hover on this particular field, you can see a pop-up saying that password you will use to log into your account. So this is the password for this portal. So that is the dashboard area. We call this as dashboard area. So uh, in order to change the password for this area, you have to change it here. Suppose if you want to change the password for this area, you have to change it here. Let us say I want to use the same password for my dashboard as well. So in that case I will update here, and the values will be updated in case if there are no errors or something like that. As the details are not entered here, it is not accepting, so we have to add the details. Let me add some details. So the password has been updated. Now the password for cPanel and the portal are same, but we don't recommend doing this. Please keep the password different for each of the logins. That is, you should keep a different password for cPanel, and the passwords for this account area should be different. So we just wanted to demonstrate how things work. That is why we have used that. So for security purpose, we don't recommend you to use the same password for control panel and dashboard. So other things that you should need to know is the products list. So these are the product list, and here you can see the domain name associated with a particular hosting package and the due date and billing cycle. So these are shown as blank in this case because this is a demo account. In case if you are into a paid subscription or a free plan, the particular billing cycle and due date will be shown here. So you can always log into the cPanel right from the dashboard by clicking on login to cPanel. It will take you to the cPanel and you should be able to use the server, but as we discussed earlier, please use the dedicated URL provided to you by our support team during the sign up, and avoid using the dashboard area for logging into cPanel for security reasons and other purpose. From the product menu you can order new packages as well. Suppose if you would like to add a new package, you can use the package and you can further proceed and check out the package. So the next one is the billing and invoice area. Here you can see the list of invoices, paid, unpaid and all. If there are any, they will be shown here depending on the filter you clicked here. So you can also see a notice here, the current payment gateway is set to PayPal, and please visit your payment configuration page in order to edit any other payment method. So we support PayPal, bank transfer and credit card. So the accepted credit cards are displayed here, that is Visa, Mastercard, Discover, Diners Club, American Express and other cards. So the credit card billing system works only if you are not from India, and this is for international users apart from India. So if you are from India, click on bank transfer and update the payment method. The next menu item is the support menu item. Here you can click my tickets. This will show all the open and closed tickets. In case if there are any, they will be shown here. And the next important option is submit a request. So here you can submit or file a ticket with us in case if you need any help or support with a particular package. Select the package name, enter the subject and your question. In case if you want to add more details, just drag this particular button and you will be able to scale it, and you can add the details here, and in the additional information that may assist us, choose the information regarding the query that you are posting to us. So in case if there is an issue related to web hosting, select that one. In case if it is an issue related to packages, select that option, and if case you need a technical support, click on technical, and in case if you have any issues with the sale or building department, click on the sales and click the submit button once you have completed filling the support ticket. We also have the latest announcement features here. You can click a particular URL like this. So here is the latest announcement, that is, in order to file a support ticket, click on the particular link. So it took me to the submit ticket page. Similarly, for general help, visit the self support portal. So you can visit the self support portal. So this page contains all the links to the self support or self help articles made for web hosting customers, and you can see most of the questions are answered here. So these are all the different support uh, articles we have made. Depending on the queries we receive, we will be adding more details here. Suppose if you would like to install an SSL certificate, we have an article over here. When you click on this, it will open the article and you can go through the article, and there is a video as well. For this particular article, you can click this and watch the video. We also suggest you to bookmark the YouTube channel. This is the channel for Rank My Hub. So there are a lot of videos related to cPanel administration, installing the particular softwares, and other uh, videos about web hosting. So you can subscribe to this channel and you will be able to get through the updates. We are also found on FB. So this is our FB page. You can follow or like us and you will be able to get the updates whenever we post a new video or something like that. You will get updated over here as well. And apart from that, we have a link for Twitter handle. This is the Twitter handle for Rank My Hub, so and you can follow here. If you are on LinkedIn, you can follow on the LinkedIn here. So you can get all the links on the footer of the Rank My Hub, so you will be able to find things there. So this is all about the web hosting dashboard and how you can manage the products from your web hosting dashboard. In case if you need any support, or if you have any queries regarding your product or package or web hosting, we are available on live support here. So this is the icon you will find on our site. Click on this and enter your email and name and start you can start a conversation, or else you can go to our contact page. So we have phone support during the business hours, and we have 24 by 7 email support. This is the email ID, info@rankmyhub.com. So you need to remove these two braces and enter the mail, or else you can use this form, enter your name, email and other details. Do not forget to enter your associated domain name and the package name during sending any message to us, and you can fill this form and click the send message and we will get back to you at the earliest.